Hi, and welcome to my lessons learned. My name is Stacy Goslin, and I just wanted to present what this semester has taught me. So initially in our semester, we had 4 subjects that we were going to do as our teaching weeks: human factor, gamification, visual aids, and assessments. Each one of these 4 bullets really opened my eyes to that topic. The human factor, learning how to manipulate the different LMSs, gamification, showed me that playing a game really can be fun, and especially when it becomes, when it has to do with learning. Visual aids was actually my teaching week, and I learned so much about how important, visual aids are and how they can be the simplest of aids, and they convey so much information. And then lastly, assessments. The assessment piece really helped me when it came to doing my course development and my course design, to help me realize whether my students in my course were going to understand the material. So when it came to my project assignment, there were a couple of different sections or parts that really stood out to me in my learning curve. I had never worked with a learning management system or an LMS, so doing the research on the different LMSs and what was out there was really eye-opening. I didn't realize there were so many, and fidgeting with the different features and what works and what didn't, and it really just is a customizable system, and some of them are not customizable, so it really is up to the instructor and how they work on what LMS they're going to like. I used Canvas. I liked that they had a template already drawn up of how you would run a basic module, which helped to give me the format that I needed. My second thing that I worked on was the objectives writing. I had never really had to write objectives. Only recently in one of my courses had we talked about this. So I struggled with objective writing, but this course really helped me to see how important it was to have a well-written objective so that your course works and you're teaching and the students are learning exactly what your objective is. The last of my lessons learned was alignment of course design and course rollout. I never thought I needed a map in order to build the course. I kind of just thought I would sit in front of the LMS and build out. But the course design and the alignment was really important for my project. And lastly was time management. Time management was one of the hardest things I've had to do this semester. My semester was a very busy semester with courses and just life. And I have learned very much how to juggle all of these pieces. This project that took us almost the entire semester to do really showed me how to space out work in intervals, and know my deadlines and know when things needed to be drafted or peer reviewed so that I could be successful in the course. So like I said, I want to do a little bit of talking about the LMS I used. Canvas. Canvas gave me the template provided, the surveys and the graded quizzes, and they had great technical support. Peer reviewing. This is one of the first courses I've ever had to peer review a course and a course design. It was eye-opening to see how other people visualize your work, and how other people perceive an assignment. that alone was a lesson in itself. It made me think twice of when I present something to my students, that I explain the assignment, what I'm looking for. Even though a rubric is given, things can be interpreted differently. And then course development. The final assignment in this course, with having the whole course on an LMS and everything, really helped me to look at my own program that I work in, and see what I could change, what needs to be changed, and now I know how to change it, and that's priceless. So thank you for the great semester. Thank you for listening to my lessons learned. Have a good night and have a great next semester.